Greetings, dear Samdhong Ripoche. This is Bob Thurman, and I understand it is now a time at the CUTS, the wonderful university that you are the originator of, and that your beloved student Geshe-Ngawang Samden is carrying on, along with all the other great faculty that we recruited over the years, those who are still there. And I'm delighted to congratulate you at this time in a very brief video. I want to say to the world that you are one of Tibet's great lights of the last century and this century, one of the great leaders, and also someone who I would say is a universal human being. You are someone whose wisdom, intelligence, kindness, diligence, and eloquence stands out as someone who could come from any nation and who represents the wisdom of reality, actually, because I think Buddhism goes beyond being just a religion. It comes from a being, the great Shakyamuni Buddha, who discovered the nature of reality itself. And in that sense, although he can be considered a founder of a religion, he also was a founder of a tradition of empirical science, investigating reality, inner reality as well as outer reality, and discovering how it works, and experiencing it, and then teaching others to experience it for themselves. He discovered it in a very rationalist way, in that he said, you cannot explain it in words because reality is more complex than any verbal or mathematical formula can contain. And yet there are methods whereby the human being, with all of its intelligence and sensitivity, can actually experience that reality. And therefore, he can be celebrated as the greatest of all realists, actually. And you also, I think, have done this. And of course, you're a reincarnation of someone who attained such an attainment in a previous life, according to the theory. And in practice, you have demonstrated behaving in this way and leading the world in this way. And another proof of your kind of transnationalism as a human being is the way you have related over the decades, half a century, of being an Indian representative of India, and a person who related to great people like Krishnamurti, great government figures, great educators, naturally all Tibetans, intellectuals and yogis and scientists relate to the great Indians of the past, like Nagarjuna, the great Mahasiddhas, the 17 Pandits, as it all now calls them, and the 84 Mahasiddhas, the great adepts. And you have also done that. And you, therefore, in connecting to Gandhi in the modern period and upholding the theory of nonviolence brilliantly and eloquently in all forums, and rejecting all kinds of hypocrisies of international geopolitics. And for all of these reasons, I salute you on your birthday, on this celebration for you. I regret that my own karma and duties and work have kept me from actually attending this wonderful celebration there. And I'm very happy and proud to be able to attend in this way in case this video ever gets presented to you, which I'm informally doing in a hotel room on the way on a journey. I have to do a duty trip, Anyway, your old friend Bob Thurman, from when we sat together in Dayan Rinpoche's house in Dharamsala in 1964, 55 years ago. And unfortunately, we didn't spend enough time together in these last 55. We'll have to do better than that. I will do my best to do better than that in the next life, when I hope to have the good luck to relate to you as a friend and a teacher and a colleague as well. So all my very best wishes to you. And by the way, it's not over. Another couple decades we expect and need. The world does. We're in a whole soup right now. But we will get out of it thanks to the leadership and the presence of great persons such as yourself. So thank you so much, and all felicitations, Rinpoche. Goodbye.